Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can set Google as a default browser in your PC. So friend, here I'm going to show you by 3 ways you can set as a default browser of Google Chrome in your Windows 10, 11 and other version also. Okay. So keep watching. In this video I will show you by 3 ways you can easily set as a default browser in Windows 11. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome browser. Okay. So friend, we want to set this Google as a default browser. Okay. So what things we can do? So friend, first method, how we can set this Google Chrome as a default browser. Okay, so we are going to press Window key on your computer and then simply search settings and press enter. So friend, now you can see that this is my settings page, and here we want to set as a default browser. Okay, so simply click on these apps, and when you click here the apps, then you can see one option, that is your default app option. Okay, so we are going to click over here and see the other options also. So here simply click on this default apps. Okay, so friend, here what you will do, you can simply search Google Chrome. Okay. So when you type Google Chrome, then you will get this option, and here we are going to click on this arrow button, and now here you can see a big set default button over here. Okay, so what you will do, simply click on this set as a default button, and now you can see that these HTML extensions and other things are set as a default in Google Chrome. Okay, so friend, by this way you can easily do that. And now we are going to click on this set as a default. Okay, so we are going to show you the second method to set Google Chrome as a default browser. Let's close it. And now we are going to do the same thing. Click on this start button and you will get this option. You simply search default. Okay, so when you search default, then you will get this default apps option. You simply click here, and friend, you will directly redirect to this default apps option. Now we are going to search Google Chrome. Simply search Google Chrome and then click over here, and friend, now you can see all options are the same as it is. You just simply click on this set default. Okay, so we are going to click on that. So simply click on this set default. So again, this is the second method to you can easily Google Chrome set as a default browser. Okay, now I'm going to show you the third method to do Google Chrome as a default browser in Windows 11. So what you will do, again we are going to click over here and then close these things, and now we are going to open Google Chrome. So friend, here you can see that this is my Google Chrome, and here we are going to make as a default browser. Okay, so simply click on this 3-dot icon which is available on the top. You simply click over here. So when you click here, then you will get many options. You simply select settings. So friend, when you search here the settings page, in left side by this way, here you can see many options are available. You simply find out the default browser option. Here it is. Okay, so we are going to click over here. So when you click over here, then you will get these options. You can check it. Google Chrome is your default browser, okay? Because we have already set that, so here it is showing. Otherwise, you will simply click here and that redirect to that option. Let's see how we can do that, okay? So we are going to click on this default app and search Google Chrome, and here we are going to simply remove it, okay? So you can see that all things are removed, and close it, right? And then refresh it again. We are going to close it once again and let's check it out. Again, open this same thing, click on this three dot icon and then click settings and click on this default browser. But this is showing the same thing because we have already changed it, okay? By this way you can also change the settings, okay, as a default browser over here, okay? So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can set Google Chrome as a default browser in Windows 11, and this is the same tutorial you can also apply in Windows 10, so your browser will become as a default browser in Windows 11 or 10. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys. I hope you learned something new, and if you learn something new, then please click on like button and comment me below what things you like into this video, so that will make me motivated to make more videos like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will be meeting next video. Stay tuned.